back to my channel, or welcome to those who are new. I'm gonna have a mini vlog for you guys, and I'm moving. I'm literally at Home Depot this morning, early in the morning, because I forgot a mattress topper, and then I'm shipping some stuff to my friend. So yeah, I don't feel like I have enough boxes, but I'm not buying anymore, so it is what it is. But welcome back to my channel. Let's get ready to move out of my apartment that I love, but we're on to bigger and better things. So I'll see you guys when we get home. All right, so I just got back home. I'm at the stage of packing where like nothing makes sense of where it's gonna go, but it just is what it is at this point. I have stuff everywhere, literally everywhere. But the good thing is when the movers come, they're coming at 8:30. It's 8:02, so I'm gonna work on finishing as much stuff as I could. I got the mattress topper this morning, so they're able to put the mattress in with, not topper, mattress bag, whatever, mattress cover. I got that. And then I'm just really just about to put miscellaneous. I have one more bin left, like a big tote bin. And that's the last thing that I have to be able to put stuff away. Whatever doesn't fit, I guess, is either getting donated or going to the garbage. I don't know. I've also been doing a really good job of donating a lot of my stuff, which I feel very proud of. I literally have a car full of stuff that I've been donating to Goodwill. Also, I'm gonna try a few things for Play-Doh Closet. We'll see how it goes. I know they're real strict around there. We'll try. And then I'm selling a few pairs of my shoes just to get everything out the way. But while the movers are here and once everything is already packed up, I really need to tape a lot of boxes too, but I'm gonna work on cleaning out my fridge. I'm also gonna work on putting everything to the side of things that I actually need, because I'm putting all my stuff in storage until whatever I'm doing is done, all that stuff. So I only have a select few things that I'm actually gonna have for the next couple of weeks, months, however long it happens, to the side, and then the rest of the stuff they're gonna put in storage. I really hope they come down and they're okay with taking down my TV, they're okay with taking down my bed, and they're okay with taking down my little floating shelf that's right below my TV. I don't know, I think I did a pretty good job considering I just worked 3 shifts in a row before this. I've literally been coming home after work working on packing. So we'll do that later in the week. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna clean my apartment, and that's when we'll do a nice little empty apartment tour. That'll be part of this video, just so you guys can see the vibes of how I was living prior. So yeah, let me stop yapping because I need to make sure that everything is kind of semi in order before my boyfriend gets here and the movers get here. So I will see you guys very soon, but let's come along for this little mini vlog of me moving out of my apartment that I love. But like I mentioned before, on to bigger and better things with God's grace. So let's clean up this place and get a move on. I'm bringing all my donation stuff to the car. The movers are here. They're starting with the bed first, and I just had to separate everything out, but so far so good. Truck is here right in front to make it easy. They can probably back it up a little bit more to be able to enter from this door over here. But put all the donations in the car, and now let's get the stuff that I need to take with to the next place. Put Storm in here so she doesn't eat anybody. This is the progress so far. Pretty good. Stuff I'm taking, pretty good. Nice. So, almost there. Got all my stuff, heading to the storage unit. Okay, I just left the movers at the storage unit real quick. I just showed them where it was. I'm gonna grab a few things from my house that I need to put in my car to bring to the next place. I also ran into donations for Goodwill and literally still left stuff in my car that was in front of my face. So we gotta go back, but we're gonna get there when we get there. So I'm gonna grab a few things and head that way. The movers, guys, just finished. I'm about to put the little lock on my storage unit. I have a few more bins at home because not everything fit in the car, but it did so good. And it's literally just hit 1 o'clock. So the guys were in there working. And before I left, I was like, will you guys help me again if I need help? And he was like, sure. So that's good because I'll need it for wherever we go next, you know? Let's put this lock on the thing, and then I'm gonna head home and I'll talk to you guys then while we go get Stormy. All right, I'm back. These are the last 4 little bins that I need. I'm gonna try to do it all in one trip. But then after this, I literally have to go to Austin to go hang out with my mom, as well as go to work. I don't know if all 4 are gonna fit. Okay, I'm just gonna have to be real careful, I guess. That's a little dangerous, but I'm just gonna have to bring it to the car like that. Or do I just do 2 now and then do 2 when I come back to get Storm? Is that what we should do, Nugget? I don't know, we'll figure it out. But my place is empty pretty much. I just have a few random stuff on the table, This is garbage that has to go get sent to the garbage. This was laundry that I did this morning. But I literally have an Echo in my place, and I haven't had an Echo for a year. So it's crazy. It's literally insane. But this is what it looks like. We're pretty much done with the moving for the day. Put you down here. Done with the moving for the day. This is it. This is all that we have left. Stormy, come here. Come tell the people. Come tell them that we're moving. She loves her windows. Literally, this apartment was so great because there's windows, 4 windows in my room. There's 2 for me and then 2 at the bottom for her. I'll show you guys on the empty apartment tour, but she loves to look outside and loves to be nosy. It's real cold today, so I decided to leave the windows open. So like this area has a good breeze, a nice breeze. But yeah, we ended up moving today. It literally they finished at 1 o'clock. They came at 8:30. It was a win. It was easy. I'm gonna get ready to pack up the rest of the stuff, bring it onto my car. Storm and I are getting ready to hit the road, go to Austin, go to work, hang out with my mom. And then I'll see you guys back on Monday when we're cleaning the apartment and I give you the empty apartment tour. So let's do that. Let's get moving on and let's keep going with our day. Have a wonderful day and see you guys on Monday. Hello guys, hi. Today is a new day. Today is Monday, February 2nd. I literally raced home today. I look like alfalfa right here. I literally raced home today to be able to get here and be able to empty out my apartment. I'm pretty much almost good. I just have a few things here on the counter. It looks like a few. This is all garbage that I have to take to the garbage chute. I have to break down Storm's kennel, do all of that stuff, and just see how it goes. I figured I'd hurry up. And I'm not gonna take too long because it's like, I'm either gonna get my deposit back or I'm not. So I'm just gonna mostly get everything out of here, clean up what I can. I cleaned up a little bit before I left. Like I cleaned the tub, I cleaned the sinks, I cleaned like all the bathroom cabinets, and I cleaned off the little bit of the island that was actually clean. I'm gonna clean the oven, I'm gonna sweep, I'm gonna mop real quick, and kind of just go from there. I feel like that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change out of my Aritzia little sweatsuit just because I'm not about to get this filthy while I clean. Storm is struggling to breathe, but what's new? And I'll see you guys after I finish cleaning, and then we can do a little empty apartment tour. So let's do it. Let's get this done so we can get out of here and move on to the next thing. Let's go. All right, y'all, I finished. I told myself I wasn't gonna go so crazy to clean, but y'all, I want my whole deposit back. So hopefully I still get it. I literally had to rip off my sticker for the garage. It would not come off, so it was just coming off in pieces. So hopefully that's okay. I have to turn back in my little bands for the pool that no one ever uses, my mailbox key, my key fob, and then give them a forwarding address. So let me do a little empty apartment tour and then let's get ready to wrap it up because it's 5:35. My hair looks crazy, so let's just get this over with. I'm gonna flip the camera and just do a little talking with it. So let's do it. Alrighty, here's my door. Absolutely love the color. Here goes my little light. This is when you first walk in. Now you guys actually get a tour. Very similar to the apartment video that I did prior. Let's do 0.5. Prior, when we are looking here, this is the front door. This is the coat closet. Here it is in here. And then when you come over here, right away, you have your washer and dryer, which I stored all my washing stuff. So there goes that. I ran a load, so now it's all nice and clean and done. Cleaned out all of the lint. Here goes my kitchen area. Here goes my island that is huge, big, perfect. Has so much, oh, what is that? That's weird. There's stuff that's literally still on the counter. Anyway, big, spacious. It fit 3 chairs, which was perfect. Here goes my fridge. I have cabinet spaces here. I use this as my pantry. Here goes all of the countertop that you guys can see. I always did all of the cute little decor. Gas stove, which I loved. Microwave always works. And then here goes my little dry bar that I made my little matcha / record bar area. Kept my little Drew Barrymore mixer under there. Here goes some more area where I have all of my cleaning supplies where I had before. Here goes the dishwasher. Here goes the sink, the nice big farm sink. Over here was this little mudroom area, which I have one of the biggest ones that they have. So I left it for Storm and put all of Storm's stuff here and a little bit of decoration. That was always behind me and always looked a mess. And then here goes my giant living room. I had my couch here, the girls' kennel here. I had the TV here, which you can see because I was covering up the holes. my stand. I had my Christmas tree here and my table, but I got rid of all of that. And then we'll go outside after, but outside is the patio. Here goes the area over here. Here goes my bedroom, which I thought was ginormous for a room. I also love that there's no carpet. That's my absolute favorite. Here I put just a whole bunch of little knickknacks and candles and people who are important to me on this wall. I had a nice little view of the patio here. I have to remember to close the windows, but love the view. And then Stormy and Callie would always look out here. So that was always good. And then when you come in here, oh, my hair's still on the wall. Yeah, let's saw that. When you go into here, you have two entrances, which I really like. So your guests could enter the bathroom here, and then you could enter the bathroom here. So I had this area where I always had all my stuff. This was my hair sink. This was like my necessities, like first aid kit sink. Here I am here. I had two sinks, so I really like that. There goes the toilet where you do your business. Here goes the shower. I had a cute little shower curtain. And then coming in here is where my closet was. Nice big closet. It never looks big when I have all of my stuff in it, but when there is no stuff in it, it looks ginormous. So it was perfect for what I needed it for. The internet box is over there, so there goes that. And here goes the closet. To finish off, which I thought would be really good, would be to show you guys the patio, which was one of my favorite features, being on the first floor. I was always scared of being on the first floor, but this made up for it because look at the view. It was absolutely beautiful. Here, I never got patio chairs, but I probably should have. I had a little tree. I feel like I had my own little backyard. So you just see all of your neighbors. And sometimes there's a dog wash over there and the gym over there and the girls over here. So we could literally just grill and do the fire pit here and then just come on up. So I had two entrances and two keys. There goes that. My little home. It felt like a little house with having this little feature, being able to enter two ways. So there's that. I'm gonna lock up, close the windows, and we'll call it a wrap. And I'll see you guys when we finally get all finished and like all done. I'll talk to you all in the car. Let's go. Hi guys, it is a new day. It is a long time overdue. I really thought that I closed out this moving vlog video, but I guess that I didn't because I was getting ready to edit it. Oh, the girls are gonna start playing. You see them fighting? They were not doing this when the camera was not on. Anyway, let's get ready to close out this vlog. I'm all settled into where I'm gonna be for the next couple of months until we figure out what the plan is moving forward. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the moving vlog. I hope that you guys look at other apartment videos that I have on my channel. I'm also gonna work on getting out a new one for you guys, which I feel like would be really good for you guys to know other places that might be good to live. And I really love apartment tours, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below other videos you want to see. Hope you enjoyed the empty apartment tour, just because you kind of know where I was living during that past year. And y'all pray for me that I hope that I got my deposit back. We'll see if it comes in the mail with my money for my deposit. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope that you enjoyed this Wednesday upload. Bye, beautiful. Girls, I see ya.